The 2023 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport 400 gets a new black Opal edition that covers the sports sedan in color-shifting paint. This model will be extremely rare, according to the brand. The special version will add $2,200 to the price of the rear or all-wheel drive Red Sport 400. This Q50's black Opal metallic paint can take on blue, green, or purple hues depending on the viewing angle or the way the light hits it. Infiniti also installs a trunk lip spoiler with an exposed carbon fiber finish. The badges and logos on the body are satin black. Unfortunately, the photos don't provide a good sample of the shades that this paint can display. In some pictures, you can see a green hue, though. Inside, there is black leather upholstery with red stitching. The front seats have diamond quilted sections on the bolsters. Under the hood, there's a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 that makes 400 horsepower, 298 kilowatts, and 350 pound-feet, 475 newton-meters of torque. A 7-speed automatic is the only gearbox option. But buyers can pick whether the power goes to the rear wheels or to both axles. For 2023, Infiniti makes some small tweaks to the Q50 range. Saddle brown leather is now an option on the Luxe trim. The Sensory grade is available with an illuminated grille emblem, which is previously a Red Sport exclusive feature. All 2023 Infiniti products come with the brand's premium car maintenance program. It includes up to 3 years of oil changes, tire rotations, inspections, and more. The 2022 Q50 received additional standard features like leather seats with a memory function on the driver's chair, power folding outside mirrors, and Bose Performance Series premium audio system. Infiniti is currently preparing to introduce an EV in the US. It and a Nissan model will come from the Canton Vehicle Assembly Plant in Mississippi starting in 2025.